Now, COVID-19 updates and stories. COVID-19 reports. We start with the good news that no Nigerian who has received the jab of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine has died or developed any severe side effects. The Executive Director of the National Primary Healthcare Development Agency, Faisal Shoaib, disclosed this at the briefing of the Presidential Task Force on COVID-19 in Nigeria. Oyin Adekunle has the details.
There's been growing concerns in several countries about the efficacy of the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine after rare cases of unusual blood clots were reported in some recipients after vaccination. The PTF has once again cleared the air on this, saying Nigeria did not receive the batch in contention.
So far, 122,410 people have been vaccinated with the Oxford AstraZeneca vaccine in Nigeria. While we have observed among some vaccinees that there may be mild symptoms such as pain and swelling at the site of the vaccination, body pains and mild fever, it is very important to note that it is possible for you to take the vaccine and have other diseases that are completely unrelated to the vaccination process. So just because you take the vaccine and then you have malaria or you have some other symptoms, those should not necessarily be linked with the vaccines.
It is equally heartwarming that 2 locally developed vaccines are currently undergoing trials. The efforts to improve vaccination exercise and increased testing is part of the measures being taken to avoid a third wave of the COVID-19 pandemic in Nigeria.
Nigerian scientists have produced at least 2 local COVID-19 vaccines, which are awaiting clinical trials, and certification is significant. This is a welcome development that will open a new vista in scientific breakthrough and will boost the morale and image of the medical industry in the country.
We shall continue to sustain our testing rate to ensure that we identify, isolate, and treat positive cases in our dear country. This is necessary to avoid a third wave, which some countries are presently experiencing. We still continue to work towards a better outcome of cases by critically reviewing all the areas that will lead to better management of COVID-19 cases while focusing on the evolving nature of the virus and the disease.
The PTF also announced measures to check the presentation of fake COVID-19 vaccines by air travelers.
Last week, many intending travelers were turned back and handed over to security agencies because they were trying to travel with fake lab results. From now on, all tests by private labs for travel purposes will be verifiable by airlines, by embassies, by countries.
As Nigeria continues to ease measures and beef up safety protocols, international flight is expected to resume at the Kano Airport on April 4th, while simulation exercises will be conducted in Port Harcourt and Enugu airports ahead of reopening. Oyin Adekunle, TV360, Nigeria.